Did you see that view? Come, I'm gonna show you guys that view. It looks beautiful. So today is more of a cozy day. This is a cozy episode. Me, I'm just here posted, kicking back. It's a nice vibe. I like the greenery. I like the greenery. It's a beautiful vibe in the greenery. Anytime you get that jungle vibe, that's where I feel like I'm meant to be. Yeah. Right now we just got these chairs. 100 baht each. It's chilled though. We're liking it somewhere. A little bowl. Cozy beach has been cozy. Cozy beach has been cozy. See me kicking back like a mat. Dog's there relaxing. Yeah man, if you've never been out to Thailand, I definitely recommend you to go and check out Thailand because it's absolutely beautiful. See the mountains over there, beautiful. About to jump out into the ocean. Maro's come back, looking after the stuff. Yes, finally leaving the beach. It's been a nice, cozy day.
Hey! Slow down, Chin! Hell's wrong with you?
Hopefully we don't get run over. You can see. Out here. About to go into the central Pattaya mall. Grab us some macaroni and cheese. Hey, that place looks alright as well. That place across the road. I'm feeling for that macaroni and cheese. I don't know what you're saying. Feeling for that macaroni and cheese.
The real question is it banging though?
It look banging. It look like a banging foot. Let's go, yeah, after the thing. Central Pattaya, looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Yeah. I like it, I like it. It's got a nice vibe to it. It's got a nice vibe to it. Yeah, we say you ready? Say no more.
So this is Pattaya.
Pharaoh's entrance. Pharaoh's entrance. So the door's shut behind me.
Don't behind me though, bro.
Ah.
No, I
So your little head nods. No, it's still.
have to, man.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we out here right now. I mean, I like to keep the camera a bit low just so I don't invade the people's privacy in it, but it is what it is, man. You know what I mean? I like when the camera goes off, like when the screen goes off.
It goes off the screen.
Yeah. But this place is nice so far, I like it. It's chill. Nice. Vibe. Not too many people in here today. From the beach to the shopping mall. Santa Monica Diner, where you at? Where you at, Santa Monica Diner? Let's find out what Santa Monica Diner is right now. Santa Monica Diner. Just pulled up to Santa Monica Diner. Let's see what it's saying. See what the menu's saying. They got a Turkish breakfast. Got some Turkish pie with cheese. Interesting. See what they got. Burgers. Yeah, sit down, grab a menu. Double cheeseburgers, all of that. Traditional spaghetti. Just had enough some dessert. Legendary mac and cheese, that's what I came for. Legendary mac and cheese. Really? Okay. Yeah. See what you're saying. Thank you. Yeah, let's see what the menus are saying. Jeez. We came to the right place. And this is another one on the bucket list. Santa Monica Diner. Cheese on fries. Veggie. Nice cheese balls. 8 pieces. I might grab some of those. Onion rings. Yo, this menu looks mad.
Hey, they've got all different kinds of mac and cheese, G.
Is it?
Yeah. Mac and cheese with steak, with bacon, with prawn, with broccoli, with sausage, with
You want all the pork, innit?
all the pork, bro.
God have mercy upon us.
All the pork. Man ain't even hiding it.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna order some food still. I'll be back in a second.
I'm leaving here with something.
So yeah, I remember
Being in the moment.
being in the moment, consciously being aware of how you're feeling. Whether you're feeling good or bad, consciously being aware of the difference. That's one cognition I had in my mind. And yeah, soaking it all in, being tranquil, being harmonious, in a harmonious state, feeling good. Feeling good is just, it's quite vague, you feel me? Define that, what's good for you? Find that, break that down. You know what I mean?
How can someone do that? Find what's good for them.
Tap into the, so there's a big difference between joy and excitement. But people label those feelings as good feelings. You feel me? So what's good for you? Some people might prefer to be joyful than excited. You feel me? So break it down. I like to feel blissful and tranquil, and harmonious, and in alignment all the time, consistently on a regular basis. I was actually doing a lesson of a private course that me and Maro and YM go through. It's called the Science of Personal Mastery. It's part of a private club, so I was just going through that, and the question that was asked to me is, what do you want? What is your dream, desire, goal, preference? I was just reflecting on that, and I told Brother Maro here to start recording, ask me some questions, you feel me? Here we are, live on the camera, you asking me questions, and I think the food's just here. By the way, this pink lemonade has been the best so far.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's been the best so far I've ever tasted. Thank you.
Hey, there's our food. Thank you. Thank you. That was banging still.
Should I do the taste test? Take some of those.
Is that the cheese ball, yeah?
Yeah, take the
Cheese ball, love.
Try one.
Okay, so what do you want in life?
Taste it, let me see what it's saying.
I guess that's one of the first questions you really need to ask yourself. Thank you. Is that the chicken sausage? Yes, that's me. Kopunka. Oh, that looks good still.
This is what I got, some mac and cheese and some broccoli, some chicken, some spicy sauce, some cheese balls over there. We got some chicken, some sausage, mac and cheese. Yeah man, we're digging in.
Nice, man.
So good, we have to get dessert. And I got myself a nice latte. So yeah man, I'm gonna have this and then head off to the market. Got myself a New York cheesecake, a little nice latte. If you're wondering what that is, that's crystallized, it's called crystallized caramel. Crystallized caramel basically. Crystal caramel sugar. I don't know if you guys can see that there. Now let me dig into this.
Ah, this is good stuff.
Literally crossing out crazy roads. See that? All the cars and that behind us. It's madness. The body car. Our bellies are full now. Time to go to the market. See what they got in store. Just pulled up to the market. It's looking amazing. They got a lot of stuff out here. Got some sweet shops. All these different type of sweets. Durian cube, cashew nuts, and very different stuff. Having a look. Hello, how are you? You okay? Very nice. I'll come back later. You like Chris Brown? Nice. Very nice. Huh? I don't like another man picture on my body. I like only my face on my body. You understand? No gay. Straight man. Like ruler.
God have mercy upon us.
She wanted me to get this Chris Brown hood. Yeah, that was nice. That was okay. She wanted me to get this Chris Brown hoodie, you know. That's for the ladies. That's for Team Breezy. But yeah, they sell some nice shoes over here. Some nice hoodies and very nice. Then go. Everybody, make sure you come to this gentleman's shop. You are the owner.
Yeah.
You are the owner of this shop. Same with this lady. Very nice customer service. You know, big shout out to them.
Thank
It's
you.
the same lady that would sell me the Chris Brown hoodie. But this one for lady, not for man. For lady. So yeah, you guys make sure you come here. Pattaya Bazaar Market. Yes. Make sure you guys check them out. They got shoes, sandals, everything you need. And thank you to these people for welcoming me to their shop. You know, I'll put you in there, you know. Pulled up to a place in the market with some anime action figures. Let's see, Naruto, Sasuke. We got Yasuke there. Nezuko. What the time is
What in the world is going on up in here?
Check that big bit. Can I wanna check? Welcome everybody. Where you come from?
Jamaica.
Welcome to Thailand from Jamaica. You said Bo?
Yeah. Say subscribe, like, comment.
Subscribe, like, comment.
Zack X channel.
That's X channel.
Yeah.
See ya.
See you everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.